This 2010 Honda Odyssey is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. South Van No Rust Check Picks Wheelchair Accessibility Van. Handicap Accessible Van. Handicap Van. Power Right Side Ramp. REMUVABLE Driver and Passenger Seats. Power Sliding Doors. Lowered Floor. Low Miles 91K Only. All Power. Expedition. Auto Transmission. 3.5L V6 Engine. Clean Auto Check. Runs and drives like new. Good tires all around. Full AC. Rear AC. Must see IT call now or text 330-475-4817 for more pics and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehouse.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals for less. Wheelchair vans, Dodge Handicap Grand Caravan, Town and Amp, Country Handicap Van, Honda Odyssey Handicap Van, Toyota Sienna Handicap, Braun Ability, Mobility Works.